pretended attack, feint, छल बुलावा, pretended attack, feint. Ceremony to formally congratulate success, felicitating, well chosen or suited to the circumstances, felicitous, relating to or involved in crime, felonious. One who believes in giving equal opportunity to women in all fields, feminist. A boat or ship for conveying passengers and goods, especially over a relatively short distance and as a regular service, ferry. A boat or ship for conveying passengers and goods, especially over a relatively short distance or as a regular service, ferry, nauka. Relating to a festival, festal. Bitter quarrel over a long period of time, fall. Changing frequently, fickle. And opposed to reality, imaged, not real. Fastidious. Dogs are known for possession of the quality of being faithful, fidelity. Something that is imagined but does not exist. Figment. Killing of one's own child, filicide. Having a consistency that does not easily yield to pressure, firm. A strong interest in something or someone, fixation. Natural talent for something, flair. A person who attracts attention with a flashy style, flamboyant. An imperfection, a blemish, a crack, flaw. A group of ships sailing together, fleet. Capable of bending easily without breaking and able to be easily modified, flexible. A quick sudden movement, flick. Sign with a bright but brief or irregular light, flicker. Unwelcome aspect of a situation, flip side. A group of birds of one kind, flock. The plants and vegetation of a particular region, flora. A person who sells and arranges cut flowers, florist. To struggle helplessly, flounder. Accidental good fortune, fluke. Continuous movement and change, flux. Destruction of a fetus, foeticide. A story that is passed down from generation to generation through spoken word, folktale. A story that is passed down from generation to generation through spoken word, folktale. ये ब्लैक बुक ऑफ इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी पेज 26 है. हम इस बुक को 1 by 1 कंप्लीट करेंगे, एक पेज डेली करके. जिसको ये कंप्लीट करनी है हमारे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट करें.